Is coming to US for masters in data analyst a good idea? Short answer, no, it's not a good idea. I'll tell you why. So, see, there are different career options. So, data analyst is one, data scientist and software engineer is a different career track. If you're coming here for data scientist or software engineering career, it is a good idea to come to US, and I made a separate video on that, so for which I am gonna post a link in the video description below. But if you are trying to pursue your study in data analysis, trying to become data analyst after doing masters, the major issue you will have in US especially will be that you will have hard time finding a job or an employer who will be willing to file your H1B. H1B is a work visa that you need in order to work in this country. And I know some folks, very talented people whom I know personally, they are excellent, like so smart. They came here, they did their study, now they are having hard time finding a company who can file their H1B. You get 3-year OPT, which is still an option, but then during this 3-year OPT, you need to find a job, right? You need to have a job. If you don't have a job after masters, you have to go back to your country. If you have a job, yes, you can work here 3 years on OPT. You can cover all your tuition fees for your masters. You can even save a little more money. So in that case, yeah, you might get lucky. But many companies have this policy that they don't want to file H1B for certain profiles. Now, data analyst profile is such that in the end, it's all economy, supply and demand. There is enough supply of data analyst in US. So why would they, there are like American citizens, green card holders. Why would they go into hassle of filing an H1? Because they have to respond to government that they are not finding a good talented employee locally, hence they're filing H1B. They would not go through that trouble, so they make it an HR policy that for data analyst profile we are not doing any H1B. So the short answer is, if you are thinking of coming to US to become data analyst masters and work here on H1B, not a good idea. Now you might get lucky, I'm not saying, see, you might get lucky, maybe 1% case people even get H1B, fine, but you have to be ready to take that much risk. So evaluate the options in your home country. There are enough jobs and so many career options, so many entrepreneurship or freelancing even options that you have. Many times people, let's say you are living in India or some Asian country, you might be frustrated, or there is traffic, there are no jobs, the country sucks, but you need to think differently. There are opportunities. Like if you talk about India, there are a hell lot of opportunities. You need to pursue your opportunities. People say, I'm not getting an interview call, I'm not getting a job. Well, have patience. You have to do something out of the box. You have to do networking, you have to do freelancing, open source contribution, uh, like networking through LinkedIn, or even writing article in Medium or some other blogs. You have to do all of those things. Getting the first breakthrough takes time, but after that you can really uh, fly high, and you can achieve a lot of goals. There are many people who end up earning a lot of money. I mean, the kind of money that you would not have even expected, as a data analyst in India. You can also have an option of becoming a data scientist. After you become data analyst, you learn the machine learning, predictive modeling skills, statistics, math, you become data scientist as well. And if you become data scientist, like, see, big product based companies like Amazon, L5 data scientists make like 80 lakh rupees a year. L7 data analysts, they make like more than 1 crore. I'm not lying, this is true. They make so much money. Now product based companies, I know, hard to get in, but I'm just telling you the upper potential. The sky is the limit. So think about your options properly. The other option you have in terms of countries is Germany. For Germany, there is a nice YouTube channel called Bharat in Germany. I'm gonna post a link in the video description below. Watch that, because the study in Germany is free, and you can build a good career. I interviewed one person, Vijay. He's in Germany. He's a data scientist, I think. But yeah, as a data analyst also, you can make a good career in European countries like Germany, UK. You also have an option of going to Australia or New Zealand, Canada. I don't know much about career opportunities in those countries and the situation of studies, so you have to do Google and internet search to find out the option. But I hope you find this advice helpful as far as US is concerned. If you have any question, post in a video comment below. I try to answer the questions which are posted in first week after posting this video. I try to answer all those comments. So any question, post in a comment below. I wish you all the best.